Behind every construction project, there lies a challenge in every growing city: managing waste and debris effectively. This is where TSF Disposal transforms chaos into order with our top-notch dumpster rental services. Our diverse range of dumpsters is designed to cater to all needs. Small home renovations, large-scale construction sites, or commercial cleanouts, we have it all. At TSF Disposal, we don't just offer dumpsters. We offer a commitment to service. Our dedicated team is always ready to guide you in choosing the right dumpster for your project. Booking with us is just a click away. Our user-friendly online system makes renting a dumpster quick and hassle-free. We're not just taking care of your waste, we're also taking care of the environment. Our commitment to recycling and responsible disposal practices ensures a greener tomorrow. Safety and compliance are at the forefront of our operations. Rest assured, with TSF Disposal, you're choosing a partner who values safety as much as you do. Cleaner sites, efficient management, and a commitment to the environment. That's the TSF Disposal promise. Are you ready to experience the TSF difference? It's simple to get started. Just visit us online at www.tsfdisposal.com/dumpster-rental-manchester-nj. Our website is your gateway to hassle-free dumpster rental services. Need a more personal touch? Our friendly team is just a phone call away. Dial 732-691-8102 and discuss how we can help keep your project clean and on track. TSF Disposal, your reliable partner in waste management.